Did you know you can transfer domain from one Hostinger account to another and it is completely free? Many people think that you need an EPP code or transfer fee for transferring any domain from one Hostinger account to another. But it's not right. In reality, it actually takes a few minutes to do the work. You just need to do email verification for your domain transfer. So in this video, I will show you how we can do this step by step. So without further ado, let's jump to my screen. First, go to your original Hostinger dashboard. Click on domain. I will transfer this domain to my another account. Click on manage. Go to domain ownership. Here you will get move domain to another Hostinger account. Click on move domain. Now give the email address of new Hostinger account. Click confirm. Click on close. We can see that the domain move initiated. Now go to the new email account where you will get a confirmation message. It will be valid for only 10 days. Click confirm. Now it will redirect you to your new Hostinger dashboard. Review your domain move request and click accept. Click confirm. Fill up the contact information. Now click next. Give your name, email address, country, zip code, phone number. Now click finish registration. Domain move initiated. Click continue. Now you will get a confirmation message in both original and new account. You have to click accept on both original and new email address. Now from this dashboard, click on check again. Okay, we have completed.